Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to change app icon size on iOS 18. So if you want to reduce or increase the app icon size, which allows you to make it smaller or bigger, if you are running on latest iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change app icon size on iOS 18, all you just need to do is press and hold the home screen just like this. Then wait on the home screen is wiggling or shaking. After that, go ahead and click on the edit button at the top left and click on customize. Once you click on customize, you see this pop comes up on the iPhone home screen. And then you have two options on the menu. You have small and then large. If you select small, this is going to make the iPhone screen size small with the app label. However, to make the iPhone app icon larger, click on large. And this is going to make the app icon larger and hide the app label. So you can switch between small or large. So each of them has a different effect, with the large app icon hiding the app label and small showing the app label and reduce the size of the app icon. So that is basically how you can easily change app icon size on your iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.